Hey, my name's Ross Watson, and today I'm going to be speaking about the basics of tree identification and how to identify them using the leaf, the physical features, and its location. The first step is to determine what type of leaf it is. There are three main different types of leaves: fascicles, scales, and broadleaves. Fascicles are a bundle of needle-like leaves. They normally belong to the pine family and can come in different lengths and numbers. And even color as well, as shown in the two pictures here on the left. It's a eastern white pine, hence the name. It's got a little of that whitish color on it, and there are 5 fascicles per bundle, which make it unique. Scales are small overlapping leaves that look scale-like, and they normally belong to cedar trees and other conifers. Eastern red cedar are common around here, and that is what the pictures show as well. Broadleaves are wide, flat leaves that hold very important characteristics, such as leaf form, size, shape, and whether it's a simple or compound leaf. A simple leaf is one single blade, as a compound leaf is made up of several different leaflets. The form of a leaf can be a key identifier for trees, as oak trees have lobed leaves and are normally not serrated. Now, not all oak trees have this lobed leaf form, so it's important to keep in mind other characteristics of the tree. Another example of a key identifier for characteristics is whether it's serrated or not. Now, this can be important for many different types of trees, but as well as the mulberry tree, the red mulberry tree here on the left side of the screen. It has many different leaf forms, but it is serrated, and by the 3 different leaf forms that a single tree can hold, it makes it a key identifier. The next step is to analyze the physical characteristics of the tree, such as the bark and the fruit. The bark and the fruit can be key identifiers to identify a species of trees. The fruit is normally common among the whole family of trees, such as the double-winged samara that's in the top right hand of the screen, and it is common among the whole family of maples. So not only that, but there are many types of fruit, including pods, drupes, cones, berries. The list goes on, but whenever available, it always helps. Such as the persimmon tree that's on the left side of the screen, which is identified easily by its bright orange fruit. Not only that, but when that's not available, it's always identified by its bark. It's described as alligator skin-like and is unmistakable. Now, fruit and bark is also key identifiers for oak trees. An acorn is a dead giveaway for any oak tree, but that acorn can be further analyzed to go down to a species level for oak trees. Knowing the typical fruit and bark for a family of trees is important for identifying trees. The last step is to determine the location. Know what trees are in the area, but not only that, take note of the environment that the tree is in. The environment that the tree is in is called the microhabitat, as shown in that picture, is a hazel alder, and in the back of the picture is water. And this tree is only found if you can almost step in water next to it. So knowing that would be a key identifier for that tree in particular, but can also come in handy among other trees. The last step is to identify it. You don't want to identify a tree off of just one characteristic. You want to take all that you can get from it, the leaf type, the bark, the fruit, and wherever you found it, to come up with a positive idea of the tree. Hope you learned something and hope you can take it out into the field. Thanks for watching.